Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan. That generation right here, the first generation from year 2008 to year 2017, known as MK1. For any of you that need to remove or replace Bluetooth module, guys, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find it, where it's hidden, how to get to it in case you need to replace it. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? We take them completely apart. We show you how to do anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical components, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And for any of you that need to buy any parts, tools for your car at a really good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. So where is that Bluetooth module, guys? Let's explain now what we're doing here. Okay, we accidentally found it here. As you know, we have quite a few videos, probably more than 200 videos on that Tiguan already. Anything from mechanical to bodywork, guys. We were installing heated seats. We'll have a video on our channel how to install heated seats on Volkswagen Tiguan that didn't come with heated seats. And what we did, guys, we removed the seats out of the car, right? And once you guys remove the passenger seat, if you see right here on the bottom, guys, okay, you're going to have that cover right here. That cover will be installed that way. And once you remove that cover, inside the cover, you're going to have that computer that's hidden there, guys. Okay, that's the computer and it's very light, but that, guys, is your Bluetooth module. That's the device right here, and if you need to remove it, all we have to do, guys, okay, remove the seat. In some cases you may be even able to just slide the seat back, pull that cover up. I don't know if you have enough room without removing the seat, but if you need to remove the seat, you have the triple square bolts. Okay, that's a triple square too. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Remove 4 bolts on the seat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right underneath, guys, is the module. All you have to do, press here that notch, and you can disconnect it. You can see it just like this one. That's your Bluetooth module. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.